mathematicians, my sweet adventurers. Today we are going to do a math lesson. So what I want you to do is I want you to press pause on Miss Ashley's video and I want you to go get some paper or a dry erase board. Miss Ashley has paper and a dry erase board. I want you to go get a die, just one. And I want you to get at least a pencil. And if you also have a dry erase board, let's get your dry erase markers. So I want you to press pause and go get that and then come back and join me. Okay, now that we're back together, we're going to just do a brief math lesson, you guys, just to keep going with where we're going, because next week we're getting bigger. We're getting bigger with our numbers and bigger with our facts that we're going to be doing. So all we're going to do, and we've done this before, is we're going to roll the die and we're going to come up with what our numbers are going to be. What we're looking for is when we roll our die the first time, we're going to put that number on our sheet of paper. So Miss Ashley's paper, I think it's kind of hard for you guys to see. On my paper, I put math, because that's the lesson we're doing. I put my name in the top right corner, as we always do. I have a 1, a 2, and a 3, and then I have a red dotted line, and then I have a 4, a 5, and a 6. 1, 2, and 3 are all working with plus signs, so addition, we're adding to the number. 4, 5, and 6 are talking about the subtraction sign we're taking away. So today we need to really pay attention because we've not done a ton on subtraction, and today we're going to. So first things first, Miss Ashley has her die, and I'm going to roll it. And I rolled the number 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil, and I'm going to put a 3. It's kind of hard the way I have this pushed in there. I put a 3 on there, you guys. Now, I'm going to roll my die again. And this time I got a 4. So I'm going to put a 4. So we've got a few ways we can solve for this. We can use our digits, 3 digits plus 4 digits. We also can sometimes know it, like Carmela probably just said, oh, I know that number, quick. Yep. And then sometimes we might need to use another tool, right? So if we wanted to use the number line on this one, I'm going to not go right on the number line. I'm going to go a little above it so I can erase it each time. So we started on 3, and we want to add 4 more to it. So all we do is hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that number is 7. Smarty pants is gracious me. So we just did 3 plus 4 equals 7. It sure does. So we just checked our answer that way. Now, friends, if I didn't want to use the number line, and let's say I wanted to use my 10 frame, y'all know that Miss Ashley loves 10 frames. You know what? Miss Carol and I inevitably always talk about a 10 frame. In every conversation we have, we talk about 10 frames. So Miss Carol's friends, if y'all are joining us on this lesson, she likes 10 frames too. So the way we would do it here is we had 3, 1, 2, 3, and it wanted us to add 4 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we add all those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, 3 plus 4 is 7. And that's problem number 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. So on problem number 2, my sweet friends, we are going to do this again. I'm going to roll the die, and then I'm going to ask some of you to give me the answer. All right, so I'm rolling it. Ugh. That's a tricky number. 1. So we put a 1 on our paper, and we're going to roll it again. 6. So we're saying 1 plus 6. So if we were here, 1, and we're going to jump 6 spaces. We're adding to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same number, right? Let's double check it again. We already had 1. Let's add 6 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count them, friends. So we ended up with 7 on our number line. Let's check our 10 frame and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1 plus 6 is 7, just like we figured out. And above, 3 plus 4 is 7. You know what? 7 is my lucky number. So maybe it's a sign of what a fabulous day we're going to have today, friends. Maybe it's a sign that we're about to do so awesome in subtraction. I don't know. Okay, so fix that. That's the hard part with dry erase. But sometimes you dry erase yourself. All right, we're going to do one more addition. Now, friends, you can do this at home. You can do, I only did 3. You can do 10. You really don't need to make yourself do more than 10 at one sitting. Then it just becomes have to instead of a want to, and I want you to want this. So I just rolled. Okay, we have a new number here. 2. So we're going to come up here and put 2 on our paper. We're going to roll again. Oops, let me turn it that way for you guys. 6. So we're going to put a 6 in our paper. So if we do this on the number line, we're going to start on the 2, and we're going to add 6 to it, right? So like I know, Cade, you know this automatically, right? You can use your digits. Some of you know it automatically, but I'm not doing it that way. I'm wanting y'all to use another tool to check to make sure that you didn't think, oh, easy peasy, and then get it wrong. I want it to really be easy peasy. So we're going to add 6 to our 2. We're at 2, jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is telling us that 2 plus 6 is 8. Let's double check it with our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 1, 2, and then we add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which gives us a total of, Miss Ashley went a little fast. Nolan, I know you were fast with me. I know it. I know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we know that this is 8. We've checked our work twice. We're going to put our 8 up here. Another way we can represent 8 is with tallies, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we cross around 5. 6, 7, 8. That also represents 8. So 8 is 8 is 8 is 8. Make sense? All right, now we're going to do some subtraction, you guys. Subtraction is tricky for some people. I like it because this is a great place that if you also want to use counters or manipulatives of any kind, they can be erasers, they can be anything you really want them to be, you guys. Money, toys, just make sure it's the same so it's easy to count. It's hard to have different items trying to represent one item. That doesn't work great in our brains. Okay, guys, also remember when we do our 10 frames, we always start on the left side, move across, go back down to the left side, move across. All right, now we're going to do a subtraction. So I am going to pick any number I want, 1 through 12. Yes, I'm going to a double digit. Okay, I'm going to go with 12. So all I want you to do is come up to your 12 on your number line and give me a dot. Okay? Then down here, I just want you to give me 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is Miss Ashley doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have to use 2 10 frames because if I'm rolling a die and 6 adds to 6, that makes 12. Well, that's a 10 frame can only go to 10. I needed to go to 12, so I added a second 10 frame in. Does that make sense? Okay, I also, because I was using a die, I knew I was going to 12, could be the highest if I rolled 2 6s. I started at 12. All right, I went 0 to 12. So you can do it that way too, friends. So now I've done 12, I'm going to roll. I rolled a 2. So all I'm going to do is take my pencil and put 12 minus 2. If I'm here, I'm going to take away 2 on my number line. Now, so when we're adding, we're going higher in our digits, but when we're taking away, we're going back towards 0 on our number line. So just remember that. So we're going to hop over 2 times. 1, 2. So this tells me that 12 minus 2 is 10. Now I'm going to come down here and see if I take away 2 of these. 1, 2. How many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, indeed, 12 minus, take away 2 is 10. Awesome job. Let's do another one. I actually like erasing it better with my finger. I don't erase so much of the stuff in here. You guys are doing awesome. Boys and girls, if you have any questions about this, don't bombard Mom and Dad. Give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help walk you through this. So I kind of like starting at 12. So we're going to do 12 again, okay? And I'm just choosing this to show you large numbers and how to work with larger numbers. And then I'm going to go ahead and do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I'm going to take my die and I'm going to roll it. Ooh, I'm taking away 6. So with my pencil, I'm going to come up here. 12, take away 6. That's a big number, right? I know some of you know it. Mr. Microphone, I know it. Know you know this. You guys, why did I get the smartest class in America? So let's take 6 away, okay, friends? So we're going to hop at 6. Remember, we're going to start on the 12 and we're heading towards the 0 because we're taking away. So let's hop to the 0, taking away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my number line's telling me that 12 minus 6 is 6. Let's take a look on my 10 frame. Let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many I'm left with, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, 12 minus or take away 6 is 6. Y'all are so smart. I love you. I love you so much. Y'all are so smart. We're going to do one more of these problems, okay, friends? One more subtraction. Again, moms and dads, I'm doing this lesson with them. They need to watch me do it, and if they have questions, they can call me. You and I, we learned math much differently when we were younger. I don't expect you to do all of this. I expect the kids to watch the video and then try it, and if they're getting hung up on something, to call me or FaceTime me, and I will walk them through it. It's a lot easier because I do this every day than you trying to retrain your brain to learn math a way that you never had to the first time. Okay? So we're going to do it one more time. Again, Miss Ashley's loving 12 if y'all don't mind. And I'm going to roll. I'm not going with that one. That was easy. Okay. I'm going to take away, how many, Ellis? 3. So I am going to put down here my 12. And I'm taking away 3. So if I'm here, we're going to hop over 3 spots going back towards the 0 because, tell me why? Yes, because we're taking away, so we're going back. We were given 12, but we're taking some away, so we're going back to the beginning. So let's hop to 3, okay? Hop over 3 spots. 12, here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So my number line is telling me that 12 take away 3 is 9. Let's check it with my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got my 12 on here and it wants me to take away how many? Maggie, how many? 3. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3. Mac attack. What's this answer? 12 take away 3 is in fact 9. You guys, this is awesome, awesome work. I'm loving it. Now, in just a little bit, I hope you can join me because we are going to build a fort and read a story. So I hope you tune in for the next video. Guys, great work on this math lesson. I'm super duper proud. Again, no more than 5 to 10 addition, no more than 5 to 10 subtraction. If you're having trouble, bring the questions to me. Okay? I love y'all and I miss you. Mwah.